What's up, hackers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a persistent and incredibly frustrating roadblock for many Kali Nethunter users, the dreaded Chroot. Exec no such file or directory error, often accompanied by the ominous process completed code 127. This error effectively bricks your Nethunter setup, preventing you from accessing the terminal and unleashing the arsenal of penetration testing tools at your disposal. The most frequent culprit behind this error is interference from previous Nethunter installations. Now that we have a clean environment, we'll perform a manual installation using the official Nethunter app. This is the most reliable method for avoiding future problems. This isn't about just clicking install. During the installation setup, the Nethunter app proposes a default path for the Kali roots. This path is typically data, local, nesystem, Kali-arm64. Here's the critical step that solves the Chroot exec error. We're going to modify this default path. We'll append _1. Before initiating the installation, you need to download the correct Kali image. This is done within the Nethunter app itself. Go to the installation section and you'll see a list of available images. With the correct image downloaded and the installation path meticulously modified to data, local, nesystem, Kali-arm6 for _1, you're ready to proceed with the installation. Select the downloaded image file in the Nethunter app and begin the installation. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to launch the Nethunter terminal without encountering the dreaded Chroot exec error. The terminal should open smoothly, granting you access to the full power of Kali Linux on your Android device. I sincerely hope this comprehensive guide has helped you conquer the Chroot exec error and get your Kali Nethunter back on track. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth Nethunter tutorials and penetration testing content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.